You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this ultra-famous cocktail. If you want to learn more confusing cocktail names and recipes, stay tuned, you found the right channel. Stay tuned. Pronounced as Piña Colada, the Spanish pronunciation, piña, which I believe is for pineapple, colada. Piña Colada in English, it's pronounced as piña, not pina, not pina, Piña Colada. So it's not like pineapple, it's piña. Piña Colada. Spanish pronunciation, Piña Colada. In English, Piña Colada. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.